Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today is 20 August 2020 on Thursday. How's the weather outside? Cloudy because the rainy season is going on. Today I am going to teach you exercise of the comparison. Our first comparison is big and small, and our first exercise is color the small objects. Here I drawn two objects. What is this? These are two circles. What are these? These are two circles. One is big and other one is small. One is big and other one is small. So which circle is small? This? No. This? Yes. So color the small objects. So this circle is small. Okay. So children, color in small object. Big, small. So color the small object. Okay, and our second object is, what are these? These are stars. How many stars? 1, 2. One is big and other one is small. So children, which star is small? This? No. This? Yes. This star is small. So color the small star. Okay. Don't go for out of line. This is small star. And third, what are these? These are two leaves. Color only one leaf. So which leaf is small? This? No. This? Yes. So color small leaf. Okay. This leaf is small. So color the small leaf. Don't go for out of line. This leaf is small and other one is big. Big, small. Here I drawn two circles. One is big and other one is small. So color only small circle. Okay. These are two stars. This one is big and this one is small. So color only small star. These are two leaves. So color only one leaf. So this leaf is small. And our second exercise is color the big objects. Here color only big objects. So here I drawn two brinjals. So which brinjal is big? Tell me, show me. Which brinjal is big? This? No. This? Yes. This brinjal is big. So color only big object. Big means bada. So this brinjal is big. So color only big brinjal. Color the only big brinjal. Don't go for out of line. And this one is small. Here I drawn two fishes. One is big and other one is small. So which fish is big? This? No. This? Yes. This fish is big. So color only big fish. So this fish is big. Color only big fish. Don't go for out of line. And color only big fish. And last, what are these? These are two strawberries. One is big and other one is small. So which strawberry is big? This? No. This? Yes. This strawberry is big. So color only big object. Don't go for out of line. Color only big strawberry. So student, color the only big objects. So here I drawn two brinjals, big and small. So color only big brinjal. Here I drawn two fishes. One is small and other one is big. So color only big fish. And here I drawn two strawberries. So color only one strawberry and big strawberry. Okay. So color the only big objects. And our third exercise is look at the word and circle the objects. So here I write which word is this? Here I write which word is this? B-I-G. Big. Which words right here? Big. Here I drawn two pomegranates. So color only big objects. So which pomegranate is big? This? No. This? Yes. This pomegranate is big. So color only big objects. Here I write which word is right here? Big. So color only big object. And next, which word right here? Tell me. Read with me. Which word right here? S-M-A-L-L. S-M-A-L-L. Small. Again one more time. Read with me. S-M-A-L-L. Small. So which umbrella small? One is big and other one is small. So which umbrella small? Tell me. This? No. This umbrella is big. So color only small umbrella. So this umbrella is small. Color only small umbrella. This umbrella is small. And here write which word right here? Tell me. Read with me. B-I-G. B-I-G. Big. Again one more time. Read with me. B-I-G. B-I-G. Big. Big means bada. So which triangle is big? This one? No. This? Yes. This triangle is big. So color only big triangle. This triangle is big. So color only big triangle. And next, which word right here? Read with me, okay? S-M-A-L-L. Small. S-M-A-L-L. Small. So here I drawn two elephants. One is big and other one is small. So which elephant is small? This? No. Tell me which elephant is small? This? Yes. This elephant is small. So color only small elephant. Don't go for out of line. And color only small elephant. Again one more time. Which word right here? S-M-A-L-L. Small. Read with me again one more time. S M A double L, small. So here I drawn two slides. One is big and other one is small. So which slide is small? This? No. This? Yes. This slide is small. So color only small slide. This slide is small. So color only small slide. And here I drawn two deers. And here which word write this? B-I-G, big. B-I-G, big. Big means bada. So which deer is big? This? No. This? Yes. So color only big deer. So color this big object. Don't go for out of line. And color only big deer. Our third exercise is look at the word and circle the objects. Look at the word and circle the object. So here I write, which word write here? Read with me. B-I-G, big. Again one more time. Read with me. B-I-G, big. Here I drawn two objects. What is this? These are pomegranates. One is big and other one is small. So circle the big object. So which pomegranate is big? This? No. This? Yes. This pomegranate is big. So color the only big pomegranate. Circle the only big pomegranate. Okay. And which word write here? Read with me. S-M-A-double-L, small. Again one more time. Read with me. S-M-A-double-L, small. Here I drawn two umbrellas. Which one is big and other one is small. So which umbrella is small? This? No. This? Yes. This umbrella is small. So circle the only small umbrella. And which word right here? Read with me. B-I-G, big. Which word right here? Big. Again one more time. B-I-G, big. And what is this? These are two triangles. One is big and other one is small. So which triangle is big? This? No. This? Yes. This is big triangle. So circle the only big triangle. And next, which word right here? Tell me. Read with me. S-M-A-double-L, small. Again one more time. S-M-A-double-L, small. So here which picture is this? Here I drawn two elephants. One is big and other one is small. So circle only small elephant. So this elephant is big and this elephant is small. Circle only small elephant. And next, which word right here? S-M-A-double-L, small. Again one more time. Read with me. S-M-A-double-L, small. Here I drawn two slides. One is big and other one is small. So which slide is small? Tell me. This? No. This? Yes. This slide is small. So circle only small slide. And last, which word right here? Tell me. B-I-G, big. B-I-G, big. And here I drawn two dias. One is big and other one is small. So which dia is big? This? No. This? Yes. This dia is big. So circle only big dia. Okay. So student, write in your book number 1 and page number 43 and 54. So student, our new topic is tall and short. Tall and short. So identify the tall object. Identify the tall object and make a tick in the boxes next to them. So identify the tall objects. So here I drawn two ladders. One is tall and other one is short. One is tall and other one is short. So which ladder is tall? This? No. This? Yes. This ladder is tall. So tick right here. Tick the right here. Tall object. Okay. This ladder is tall. So tick right here. And next, what is this? These are two flower pots. One is tall and other one is short. One is tall and other one is short. So which flower pot is tall? Tell me. This? No. This? Yes. This flower pot is tall. So tick the right here, tall object. And next, what is this? These are two night lamps. What are these? These are two night lamps. Which night lamp is tall? This? No. This? Yes. Tick the right here, tall object. So this night lamp is tall. And here I drawn two buildings. One is tall and other one is short. So which building is tall? This? No. This? Yes. This building is tall. So tick the right here. And next, what is this? Here I drawn two trees. Identify the short object and make a tick in the boxes next to them. Here I drawn two trees. One is tall and other one is short. So tick the right here, short tree. The which tree is short? This? No. This? Yes. This tree is short. So tick here, short tree. And next, what are these? These are two zebras. One is tall and other one is short. One is tall and other one is short. So student, tell me which zebra is short? This? No. This? Yes. This zebra is short. So tick right here, short zebra. And here, what are these? These are two flowers. One is tall and other one is short. So which flower is short? This? No. This? Yes. This flower is short. This flower is short. So tick right here, short object. Here I drawn two objects. One is tall and other one is short. Which object is short? This? No. This? Yes. This object is short. So tick the right here, short object. Tall, short. Tick short object here. And last, circle the objects that are full and draw a square. जो फुल ऑब्जेक्ट है उसमें सर्कल करना है एंड स्क्वायर अराउंड द ऑब्जेक्ट्स दैट आर एम्प्टी, जो खाली हो उसमें हमें स्क्वायर करना है. सो विच ऑब्जेक्ट इज फुल? हियर आई ड्रॉन टू ग्लासेस. One is full and other one is empty. So which object is full? This? Yeah, this. This object is full. So circle the full object. So student, this glass is full. Full means आपको पता है? Full means जो भरा हुआ है. And this object, this glass is empty. Empty means जिसमें कुछ भी नहीं है, खाली है ये ग्लास. सो उसमें आपको स्क्वायर करना है. सो दिस ग्लास इज एम्प्टी. सो स्क्वायर द एम्प्टी ग्लासेस. ओके. एंड नेक्स्ट, व्हाट आर दिस? दीज आर 2 cups. One is full and other one is empty. So which cup is full? This? Yes, this cup is full. So circle the full object. So here I drawn 2 cups. Circle the full cups. This cup is full. And look here, ये कप खाली है ना, सो इसमें आपको स्क्वायर करना है. This cup is empty. So square here. Okay. Draw the square. This cup is empty. And here I drawn 2 jugs. One jug is full and other one is empty. Look here. This jug is full and this jug is empty. So circle the full jug. Okay. And this one is empty. So draw the square here. This jug is empty. And here I drawn 2 fruit basket. One is full and other one is empty. So which fruit basket is full? This? No. This? Yes. So circle the full basket. And square the empty basket. This basket is empty. So student, next here I drawn 2 nests. One is full, इसमें eggs है. Look here. And this nest is empty, इसमें कुछ भी नहीं है. So this nest is full. So circle the full nest and square the empty nest. And here I drawn 2 jars. One jar is full and other one is empty. Look here, one jar is full and other one is empty. So circle the full jar. And square empty jar. So student, I hope understand this topic. Write in your notebook page number 6 and 34, book number 3.